In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a calendar to Google Calendar, whether you're trying to keep work and personal events separate, follow a shared family calendar, or subscribe to a holiday or sports schedule. Everything starts in the same place. I'll walk you through the different ways you can add calendars so you can choose the option that fits what you need. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where you want to add the calendar. If you use more than one account, double check in the top right corner that you're on the correct one, so the new calendar shows up in the right place. Once your Google Calendar is open, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a section called My Calendars. This is where your main calendar lives, along with any other calendars you've created under this account, like work, personal, or shared calendars. Just below that, there's another section called Other Calendars. This is where you'll add calendars that are shared with you or calendars you subscribe to, like public or external calendars. Today, I'll show you how to use that Other Calendars section to bring in new calendars. Next to Other Calendars, look for a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens a menu with several different options for adding a calendar all in one place. One option is Subscribe to Calendar. This is useful when you want to follow someone else's Google Calendar, such as a coworker, a shared team calendar, or a family member's schedule. You can search by email address, and if they've shared their calendar with you or made it public, you'll be able to subscribe and see their events alongside your own. Another option is Create New Calendar. Use this when you want a completely separate calendar under your account, for example, a dedicated calendar for workouts, side projects, or content planning. You can give it a name, description, and time zone. Creating separate calendars helps keep things organized and lets you turn them on or off from the list on the left. You'll also see Browse Calendars of Interest. This is where you can quickly add public calendars that Google provides, such as national holidays for different countries, religious holidays, and some sports schedules. When you find one you want, simply select it and it will appear under your calendars list. I'll show you the easiest way to bring in external calendars using From URL and Import. With From URL, you paste in a calendar link, often ending in .ics, that you've been given or found on a website. This keeps the calendar updated automatically as the owner changes it. With Import, you upload a calendar file you've downloaded, like an .ics file with a set of events. Importing adds those events into one of your existing calendars and is usually best for one-time schedules that won't change. Once you've chosen your method and added the calendar, you'll see it appear on the left under either My Calendars or Other Calendars. You can click the colored square beside it to change its color and toggle it on or off to show or hide those events. That's all you need to start managing multiple calendars inside Google Calendar.